back, ladies and gentlemen, to the channel, to the vlog. It's a little bit rainy this morning. I just got back from vacation, so it's time to get back to it. But right now I'm on the way to my boy Patrick's house. We have a little bit of something exciting going on today, so I'll be showing you guys that in just a little bit. All right, we just pulled up to the boys' crib. Look at this thing, man. Beautiful. Beautiful. Here it is.
Mitsubishi EVO 7.
Oh.
Yes, sir.
Look at that right there.
Huh?
This is the topic of today's video. We got the HKS blow-off valve. What is this? A little
Super famous.
Hey.
It makes it sound not good though.
Are you serious?
Makes it sound like the fucking Jimmy.
Oh, that's not good.
So like,
But yeah, this is the boy Patrick's new car. EVO 7. Look at that. Boom. Recaro seats. It's all stock, which is crazy. All stock except the radio. But yeah, this thing is fire. But yeah, we just got back from vacation. And now it's time to get back to it. Look at that.
all stock. Mostly.
Mostly stock. Very clean. Where else can you find a bone stock Evo like this?
Nah.
Maybe in Africa. One guy imported one like
Yeah.
20 years
But you
ago.
can't drive it.
But
It's
yeah.
just dirt.
Yeah. Well, that's why he got the Evo though,
The rally.
to rally it. But yeah, so we're gonna be installing the blow-off valve today. Should be pretty chill, pretty easy. Yeah.
Super sequential.
Boom. You excited?
Yes.
First mod within 12 hours of ownership.
Bro,
Is that insane?
I picked it up literally, like 10 hours.
Picked it up last night. First mod already.
She was waiting though forever.
That's the life though. Sometimes, bro, stock cars just ain't it.
No, I mean, I just wanted to something cool.
You just gotta have a little bit of fun. No.
Typical bag of bullshit.
Yeah, bag of bullshit.
I don't know what the fuck that is.
It's like a water filter for the vacuum line, basically. Make sure there's no water in the lines.
Not a shiny pipe, but it's a pipe at that.
Pipe. We got pipe. The
You know,
blow-off valve
it's
on
just-
it?
Yeah.
Oh shit, they already installed it.
Yeah.
That's pretty nice
It's
actually.
because it has to.
Oh, I see. Yeah, it's like locked in with the ring.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that would be a
So
pain in the ass.
it's a custom pipe for sure.
Mm-hmm.
Cast.
Cast, yeah.
It's just cast.
Cast aluminum.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not bad.
Looks like a simple install. Once again,
Well, I mean,
got the instructions here. Japanese. Let's see if they got the American or the English. Yes,
That's good.
English.
Cool.
All right, yeah, should be pretty simple. Seems pretty short, instructions wise. The pipe is gonna come straight out of the house, yeah, throttle body, and it should just go straight into the stock intake housing.
Yep.
Simple, very simple. It's time. All right, so first things first, we gotta take off the strut tower brace, which for stock, pretty nice, pretty thick, pretty fat.
What size is it?
14. Oh, well, yeah. He's on stock suspension still, like I said, everything's stock. So these bolts right here haven't been touched in what, 25 years? 24 years?
25 in March.
25 years in. So a little bit of a pain in the butt, but nothing crazy. We'll get this out. All right, step one complete. Strut tower brace off. Now we can actually get started.
Yep.
So the pipe, both of the fittings, or both of the fasteners, the clamps are already off. So we take off this big black intake pipe. And then this air bypass valve, and then we replace the whole thing with the HKS.
Yep. Clamps, and more clamps. This whole fucking car is put together by clamps.
Everything looks really clean though.
I mean, I'm pretty sure it's a fucking grandfather build.
Yeah, it has to be. Because also, like,
The only thing that was done is a fucking.
there's no way you don't change out your shift now, bro. Alright. Bypass valve is out. Pretty, pretty shitty, location, but got it out.
Ouch.
Another
I
cut.
myself left and right on this car.
Actually, it looks like just your left hand. Not even. Oh! Left and right.
Cutting my fucking blood, sweat, and tears.
Hey. First mod. Lots to go.
Yeah.
Might as well get all the blood, sweat, and tears out now.
That gets capped.
That's, yeah, so.
Or plugged.
No, yeah, that's getting plugged. This one is getting capped. And then now we can proceed to the actual installation, I believe.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this does come off. This does come off, and then there's a rubber cap for this
Oh,
metal.
so this whole vacuum lamp goes off.
Yeah. All right, as you can see, mission complete.
It's fitting perfect.
Smooth install.
Highly recommend this kit if you are gonna do this to yours. Any HKS.
Yeah, so far,
valve kit.
pretty good experience with HKS kits.
Yeah.
They work pretty well. So the directions also, if you plan on ordering parts from Japan, the directions do come in English, as far as I've noticed, for every single kit that we've been using.
These are from Japan.
Yeah, this is straight from like Amazon Japan.
Yeah.
So if you do plan on doing this on your vehicle, don't worry, there's English instructions. After this, we should pretty much be done. We got rid of this stock pipe, which is pretty thick rubber, but I don't know if you can see, it's really squishy. So, you know, with boost, that's not ideal. And then this was to the old blow off valve for the air bypass valve, which is right here. Nothing wrong with it, you know, but it doesn't sound good. So that's why we gotta switch it out.
Nothing wrong with it. It's just
There's literally nothing wrong with this car.
It just doesn't make a cool noise.
This doesn't make a cool swooshing noise whenever you let off the gas. So you know we have to change that. Literally 12 hours into ownership. It's pretty wild. But yeah, everything went very smoothly. We're gonna wrap up the finishing bits now, and then we'll see how it sounds when it's done. Boom!
Done.
Vacuum line, routed in, and that's as easy as that. So now the brace goes back. This is also extremely simple. A monkey could literally do this. So that's why we're out here doing this. But yeah, like I said, extremely easy install. Like that was less than an hour of working. So just know, any EVO owners watching, your car, the blow off valve process for the HKS is super simple, so you should definitely get one. And obviously show you how it sounds, but I'm sure it's gonna sound great. Tower brace is back on. I'm just tightening up these bolts. So anytime you guys take off your strut tower brace, make sure you tighten up these bolts back to like the required torque spec, because that holds on your suspension. So you don't want that like bouncing around or whatever under load. But this is literally the last piece to the puzzle. So I'll show you guys when it's fully done. We'll start the car up. We'll probably take it on a drive. So, and look at this technology, man. Head unit, phone with app. That's crazy. But yeah, check out these gauges. Alright, we gotta enter the store, grab some zip ties to zip tie the air duct back on. So it'll be the first sound test.
Very presidential. Let's hear what she sounds like.
Very good.
Not crazy.
Not crazy, but it sounds good. It's better than nothing. Better than nothing for sure.
No low rev.
A little bit of flutter. There's gauges. Crazy.
Yeah, cool. Those go for a decent amount of money.
Really?
Yeah.
A little boost gauge. Job done.
Drove it. Didn't blow up.
Didn't explode. Nothing broke. Sounds great.
Yep.
Looks good too.
Next, intake.
Yeah. Gotta choose the right one.
I think I'm gonna go HKS.
The HKS one?
Match it all, yeah.
That'd be cool.
We might as well match it.
Yeah.
I don't like how they mismatch parts.
Sponsored by HKS?
Oh, you know what I might do as well?
What?
Before I leave Japan is do the exhaust manifold.
That would be smart.
Yeah.
It's
They sell some badass ones.
Yeah. It's looking a little corroded, but not bad. Looks like maybe they changed the gasket or something, because you can see on there the washers are the washers
They
are
are
still
new.
pretty new.
And it looks like someone beat on it with something. Like on the
Yeah. But those nuts are looking worrisome.
fuck.
Those nuts are looking pretty bad.
Yeah, that's an expensive purchase though.
Yeah, it's like $1,000.
If not more.
But it'll last forever.
Yeah. And oh look, brand new alternator.
Oh, that's right, with warranty.
Yep.
That's right.
I was getting on the mechanic. So I was doing my JCI like, why the fuck is it gonna cost so much? Yeah, that's a bitch and I have to get in there.
100%.
Yeah. Wow.
Hell yeah. Job done. Alright, just left the boys' house. Job is done. We cleaned up and everything like that. Just checked out the rest of the motor, see any other problems that exist. There's none. So I'm happy, he's happy, sounds great, and that's a job well done. Easy day. It only took like an hour and a half to fit everything on and even run to the store to grab extra zip ties, so that's dope. Super quick job if anyone out there is thinking about doing it to their car, so definitely worth looking into if you're in need of a blow-off valve for your EVO 789. They sell the kit, so be on the lookout for that. But pretty chill day today. I don't got anything else going on. I might wash the car later, but yeah, after 2 weeks of vacation, the car got super dirty, so that might have to be more of a detail and less of a wash, but we'll see what I get up to later. But appreciate you guys watching. If you got to the end of the video, be sure to drop a like on the video. That would really help me out. But yeah, thank you again. See you guys in the next one.